6725 Urban Oaks doing business as Urban Oaks versus Jose Martinez, Nicole Lewis, and then the other occupants of 6725. So who do I have on behalf of Urban Oaks?
Keith Wolfshall, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Do I have someone for our first defendant, Jose Martinez?
Yes, we're here as a special appearance only, and Nicole is also in a special appearance as well.
All right. Mr. Martinez, what is the reason you're saying it's a special appearance?
This is a special appearance because we are challenging jurisdiction and we do not participate in legal contract.
Okay. What is the reason you don't think the jurisdiction exists?
Because it has to be proven. Whenever there's a challenge.
That's not a jurisdictional thing. Jurisdiction is either it's something I can't hear, but evictions are solely the province of a justice court. So the only other jurisdictional issue would be if the property is not located in the precinct. To your knowledge, does that address physically fall within the bounds of precinct 3?
I don't believe it does. That there's no personal jurisdiction. There's no personal jurisdiction. There might be subject matter, but in order to hear a case, you have to have subject matter and personal jurisdiction at the same time.
Mr. Martinez, if you're appearing in court, you've been served, and if you are indeed an occupant, then that would be sufficient for them to have personal jurisdiction and for the court as well.
That's why we're challenging jurisdiction, and the law says that whenever we challenge jurisdiction, that the court cannot proceed unless they provide to us, both of us, Nicole Lewis and Jose Martinez, proof that y'all have any jurisdiction.
All right, well, I'll take the information from Urban Oaks, but we'll find out. All right, then. Mr. Wolfshall, please tell me first, why don't we address the jurisdictional issue? Is this property located within the bounds of Precinct 3?
According to the maps of Travis County, yes, Your Honor, they are.
Internet just like a hall. I can't hear
the maps.
Mr. Wolfshall, I was not able to understand you. You broke up a lot.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Is this any better?
That's better. Okay. Tell me about location. Is it in Precinct 3?
My apologies, Your Honor. Can you? Okay, thank you. Yes, Your Honor. According to the maps of Travis County, the precinct, this property does lie within the precinct of Precinct 3, jurisdiction of Precinct 3. We'd ask the court to take judicial notice that 6725 Urban Oaks is in this precinct.
On Circle Road at Commerce and William Cannon? Mr. Wolfshall, is that the address? I'm
sorry, Your Honor, you're breaking up on me?
Is the address 6725 Circle Road?
I'm sorry.
Mr. Wolfshall, your internet
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This
is bad.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. The address is 672-78745.
All right, I pulled it up on the map. That is within Precinct 3. So we have both personal jurisdiction and subject matter jurisdiction. So Mr. Martinez, Mr. Lewis, I do find that jurisdiction exists within our court. All right, Mr. Wolfshall, I'm sorry, sir?
We don't consent to that unless it's proven to us in writing that there is jurisdiction.
Mr. Martinez, I'm saying that I found proof sufficient. You can appeal if you don't agree. Okay?
Well, no, that's not the law. The law says that we have to go to
the law, Mr. Martinez. As long as you are showing up, the plaintiff need only show me that they have served the defendant in the result, which you've not denied that you are Jose Martinez. He has established for me that is an eviction wholly within the precedence of a justice court, and that the address for which the eviction is sought is one which is in my jurisdiction. That is all that is needed.
But also it says that we don't participate in legal contract, and that would be...
Mr. Martinez, are you currently residing in the apartment they're trying to evict you from?
I don't understand your question, and I don't understand your jurisdiction.
Mr. Martinez, I'm going to ask that you just be silent and let me go through the plaintiff's case, and then I will answer all of your questions for you. Okay? All right, Mr. Wolfshall, so it's an address that's in the precinct. What's the reason the eviction's being sought?
Your Honor, this is an eviction for non-payment of rent.
Non-payment. Is there a written contract with the defendants?
There is, Your Honor. It was entered into on November 6th, 2024, and it expired on October 31st, 2025. We're now in the secondary phase.
Mr. Wolfshall, is that contract with Jose Martinez and Nicole Lewis?
It is, Your Honor. There is a copy that was provided to the court as well.
How much is the monthly rent per that lease?
$1,464.
All right. Any subsidy?
It is not. subsidized, Your Honor.
Mr. Wolfshaw, you broke up. Was that a yes or a no?
No. The last question is, it is not subsidized, Your Honor.
All
It
right.
is not subsidized.
What months of rent have been unpaid?
October through the present,
Is this a CARES property?
it is, Your Honor.
And when was the notice provided?
September 10th of 2025 I apologize, Your Honor. I did not write that down. Give me just one moment. Let me make sure I'm telling you the truth. All right. It was by first class and certified mail on September the 10th, 2025. It was also a 30-day notice to vacate.
All right. And to your knowledge, the tenants have not vacated?
They have not vacated, Your Honor.
All right. What unit number is it, Mr. Wolfshaw?
Yes, Your Honor. That is going to be unit 1240.
All right. Mr. Martinez, Ms. Lewis, good morning. Mr. Wolfshaw says that you have a lease with the apartment complex for unit number 1240, and he provided me with a copy of that lease. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah, that contract is expired.
Is this a contract that you entered into, Mr. Martinez?
That's not the original one. The original one was signed in wet ink. That one is signed by electronic signature.
All right, so you have a contract that you signed. Is it for the apartment number 1240 there at 6725 Urban Oaks?
It was, but it's expired.
All right, are you still currently residing in unit 1240?
Yes, we are.
When's the last time you paid rent?
I'm not sure.
All right, the landlord here says that the rent is $14.64 a month. Is that correct?
I'm not sure because we were getting assistance from a foundation for the home.
Lease. What does it say in the lease that you said you signed? On this one, I see it to be $14.64.
Right. That's probably the foundation was paying for that. So they were the ones that were doing all the paperwork for us.
Do you have any proof that they are paying the rent on your behalf? Because the lease says that y'all owe it.
Yes, we do have proof. They were sending checks from City of Austin Foundation for the Homeless to the apartment complex that they were paying the rent.
All right. Do you know if rent has been paid for October?
I'm not sure.
Ms. Lewis, do you know if rent has been paid on behalf of October?
I'm unaware.
All right. And Mr. Lewis or Mr. Martinez, Ms. Lewis, have either of you made payment, or do you know if payment has been made for November?
We're not sure.
All right. Well, they do find the landlord has met their burden then to show that per their information in the ledger and the lease, rent remains unpaid for the past 2 months. Mr. Wolfsham, are you wanting to prorate the rent through the hearing or through the appeals deadline?
Your Honor, just for today, I calculated that as $3,028.
All right. So you are prorating?
Yes, Your Honor. We're prorating.
Today is the 18th. So for 18 days, I got $48.80. So that's $878.40. So with that and the $14.64 for October, judgment for the plaintiff, $2,342.40. If either party wishes to appeal, I'll put that at just the 1 month of rent. That'll be $14.64. Ms. Martinez, Ms. Lewis, you both have at least 5 days to appeal before the landlord can seek a writ of possession. We will send you the information related to that. I'll highlight for you, for all parties actually, in a non-payment case, you may be able to appeal, and if you've been receiving assistance from a rental agency, you might even qualify to appeal for free. However, if you want to stay in that apartment while the case is being heard to another court, you do have to pay full rent of $14.64, but you pay it to the court, and we'll send you specific information about that. All right. Any questions, Mr. Martinez, Ms. Lewis?
Okay.
Can you check on that?
Yeah. We also submitted a VAWA case, Violence Against Women's Act, and we submitted the VAWA Act. So they're in violation of the VAWA. that prevents us from being evicted according to VAWA Federal Act. And we submitted it and they did not respond or help us on that VAWA Act.
All right, Mr. Martinez, unfortunately, that does not work as a defense to non-payment. I would absolutely encourage you to reach out to legal aid with that issue and with the others and see if they can assist you. You have at least 5 days. If you take no action sooner, day 6, the judgment becomes final. All right.
We don't accept or consent to the law, the orders. So,
All right. Well, Mr. Martinez, whether you
It's on
consent or
record.
not, that is the order of the court, and it will become final, and the judgment would be sufficient for the landlord to move forward with a writ of possession and removal of you and your property. So please contact legal aid in the next several days to see about an appeal. All right.
well, we don't call it legal aid.
Good luck. All parties are excused. Thank you.